Hey everyone, Lenovo has introduced the Eraser S130, a versatile 2-in-1 PC tablet that blends portability with functionality in a sleek and modern design. Priced at $396 for the 8 and 256 gig model and $436 for the 16 and 512 gigs variant, the Eraser S130 shares similarities with Lenovo's IdeaPad Duet 3i, which debuted in global markets. Here is a closer look at its standout features. The Eraser S130 features a 13-inch 3K IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 3000 by 2000 pixels. With a brightness of 420 nits, the display ensures clear visibility even in bright environments. It also offers 10-point touch capability and is TÜV Rheinland certified for reduced blue light emission, making it comfortable for extended use. Powered by the Intel Celeron N100 CPU, which has 4 cores, 4 threads, and a turbo clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz, the device is built to handle multitasking with ease. It comes with dual-channel DDR5 memory options of 8 or 16 gigs and storage capacities of 256 or 512 gigs SSD, providing ample performance for both work and entertainment. Weighing just 768 grams, excluding the keyboard, and measuring 10.7 millimeters in thickness, the S130 pad boasts a slim and lightweight design. Its full metal chassis and smooth rounded edges lend it a premium look and feel while maintaining its portability. The Eraser S130 includes a detachable smart keyboard that enhances productivity. The keyboard is equipped with a touchpad, shortcut keys, and a comfortable scissor-style mechanism. When attached, the tablet seamlessly transitions into a laptop, offering the best of both worlds. Connectivity options on the S130 pad include a full-function Type-C port for charging, video output, and external device connections. The device also features a 3.5mm audio jack, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and an additional USB-C port. Wireless connectivity is supported via Bluetooth 4.2 and high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless communication and data transfer. The S130 pad is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that delivers 6 to 7 hours of use on a single charge. It supports PD fast charging through its Type-C port, ensuring minimal downtime. The device also includes dual speakers, a 1-megapixels front camera, and a 5-megapixels rear camera for video conferencing and casual photography. It runs on Windows 11, providing a modern and user-friendly operating system. In addition to the Eraser S130, Lenovo has also unveiled the Lenovo EA400 clip-on earbuds. These earbuds feature 13mm drivers, IPX5 water resistance, 24-hour playback, and support for spatial audio. Lenovo has also introduced a budget-friendly tablet with a Helio G85 processor, a 5100 mAh battery, and a 10.1-inch display, expanding its range of devices for diverse user needs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.